Hello everybody, I'm here in a very lovely place, being one with Mother Nature. Look at that, I got on no shoes on my feet. And you know what I just did? I just hug a tree. See the tree right here? Hug a tree. Yeah, like this. Tree. Hugging a tree. That's my son all the way out there. Let's see if I can zoom him up. Yeah. So when the family come to worship on the Sabbath, right out here in Mother Nature. That's my family there. Yeah, we're here to have worship on the Sabbath, that Creation's Day, the Sabbath. I never forget the Sabbath, even when I don't keep it as I should. But it's a lovely thing to be. Come now, you guys. And my name, I walk right over here to my name. My name. Look at that. In loving memory of Lorraine Williams, my family. Janet, Lorraine Williams. We found our family. Yes, people, get out sometimes. Get all barefooted. Touch base with Mother Nature. And you like my new look? You like my new look? I look like a white man. Oh my gosh.